Hi students, so ngasidi mo khoi electrochemistry gi makha chatrapoina variation of conductivity and molar conductivity have seeing ko conductivity and molar conductivity with kanaga sense of the concentration yai ko concentration change to bugi matungina conductivity ga molar conductivity ga se mabani ki varies to se okay akoi sida khangba yabase conductivity and molar conductivity have si khenaba amana kaino ha matamda conductivity have de khoi mamang da khangra is a conductance ni ko karida at a particular volume haidi volume do kai oido ba se koina sukumba cube ama leire sigi cube sida 1 centimeter sangba 1 centimeter wangba and this one 1 centimeter pak yare ko sukumba cube ama da on ba conductivity conductance ki value du bo khoina conductivity hai means specific conductivity have du ni ko specific conductance and this one molar conductivity have seen kaino ha matamda nang ngasagi okay sugumba koi volume amada 1 mole thadai harasu yare natragana koi it may be little bit larger or volume amada koi kedroba 1 mole thadai harasu yare ko 1 mole of the concentration sigi ko 1 mole sigi akoi conductance on budu molar conductivity hare khamni ko so sina akoina mol yengse hojik makha chatharaga both conductivity and molar conductivity say change the ko with the concentrations of the electrolytes di ngasagi akoina solution ama sema matamda hapiba nangi electrolytes natra soluto adugi concentration change tawbugi matungina akoina kai change tawge hamatamda conductivity su change tawi molar conductivity su change tawi ko aduna electrolyte da akoina electrolyte se solution da tamgiba dumaina electrolyte akoina makhan kya thona khaidoi electrolyte akoina makhan ani thona khaidoi ko strong electrolyte haiba maga weak electrolyte haiba maga both strong and weak electrolytes ani mak kedo strong electrolyte ha jade akoi fully dissociate tawba ngam ba haibani for example akoi sida loriba KCl se kedo ba they can dissociate into K and Cl negative ion da 100% dissociate tawba ngam haibani ko aduna sida lipi riba weak electrolyte ha kana akoi 100% dissociate tawba ngam daba electrolytes kangu sing du bo akoi weak electrolyte ko for example akoi sida acetic acid kind P simbo se ko so strong and weak electrolyte ki magi conductivity always decreases with dilution dilution haibadi ising yanjan ba haibani ko kadoge hamatam da magi conductivity of strong and weak electrolyte se khoi kadoge hamatam da change always decrease tawe ko handare e kaigino hamatam da say as the dilution increases ko kaigino hamatam da as the dilution increases the number of the ions per unit volume decreases and hence the conductivity decreases haibadi kaino hamatam da conductivity na koina all is just 1 centimeter cube ki 1 centimeter cube ki sigi lairiba volume sida piba ngamba conductance ki value du bo khoina conductivity haibani ko aduna dilution tawba means kaino hamatam da more and more volume la ani aduna aina hojik sigi volume se lokha ke hamatam da larger volume amma oithokrani dilution tawta de aduna sigi particular volume sigi manungda laigado ba ion sing do number of the ions to kedaroba decrease tawani per unit volume haije ko sigi volume sida adu itaragadi ion sing duna koi they are the responsible to conduct the electricity ni ko aduna ion masing handarakpa means kaino hamatam da conductivity value su decrease tawra ani havni conductivity value decrease tawra ani havni ko so makhada mu yengse khoi sina conductivity ki leijagre ko aduga akhoi molar conductivity ge mu yengsi ko say both strong and weak electrolytes ko the molar conductivity increases with dilution or decreases with increase in the concentration ko haibadi ahamada ke droba sidana ngasai khoi conductivity dana just dilute tawta di ke droba both strong and weak electrolyte animak akoi ke droga hamatam decrease tawre habani handare e habani ko housing na ke droba molar conductivity da akoi dilution tawbagi matungina ke droga hamatam da nang ngasai conductivity value se akoi molar conductivity value se increase tawre angle a habani karigino hamatam da akoi yengse aduga karigumba atopa point amagana kaino concentration se increase toraba ko concentration je ai just see ne irge concentration increase toraba adita di molar conductivity value se ke doge hamata molar conductivity cell delta m na akoi swana lambda gi lambda m ana ine ko. So concentration hengalakta di molar conductance or molar conductivity akoi ke taraba decrease tore habani ko. Reason si yengsi strong electrolyte ko weak electrolyte ko ani ki reason si khenai ko. Se ahan bagi strong electrolyte si da ke doge hamatam da as dilution increases the force of the attraction between the ions decreases haiba. Haidi strong electrolyte di akoi K plus cell negative hierarchy ko moi sing chike droba is a force of attraction se for example akoi strong electrolyte have say ionic compound sing oi gali ko aduna ion sing se fully kaithari ba sida K plus and cell negative chike droba ionic interaction leibudo aduna force of attraction si amna kalli ko dilution tauri ke dogi hai matlab the distance between the K plus and the cell negative se becomes akoi distance hena hangalakani hena ko larger distance ta lakani aduna maram oraga ke doge ham tam the hence the ionic mobility increases so the molar conductivity increases habidi ke no ham tam sigi distance ion ani gi distance yam nakna leiragadi so K plus and Cl negative se ani se kanna phajanara leirabani na ke droba ionic mobility se ion singi magi move to bugi chang se ke droba 100 a have ko aduna hojik dilution to means dilution to means distance Cl se swai legrani ko adu tadi ke re se ki distance lap thora bani na hojik interaction do ko yam leitre interaction yam leitre me ke dora ion sing se freely move to ba yare have ni ko aduna freely move to ba yara bani na so the conductance value say increase tarani ko aduna strong electrolyte with increase in dilution the ionic mobility se ke dora increase tar a have ni ko so conductivity increases when dilution reaches the maximum or concentration approaches the zero haidi ke no matamda nanga sai dilute hena sum hajan ba ko then the molar conductance becomes maximum haidi nanga sai interaction between the ions sing ke dorba ising sum hajal di last yam lapna gitari interaction later have fo yare ko adugi matamda dik mu ke dorge hamatamda akoina ke doge hamatamda limiting molar conductance ai ko so molar conductance की symbol से lambda m ni ko si lambda m से not ta pisna min to si ke no ha da limiting ha id at infinite dilution ha ni ko so for strong electrolyte ki akoi molar conductance ke doba increases slowly with dilution ko and can be represented in this form lambda m equal to lambda m not ko minus ac half c is the concentration ni A is the constant depend on the nature of the electrolyte. Magi lowri ba electrolyte to KCl lowbra natra singi na kedoge hamatamda nangi sigi A gi value se change tawgani ko aduga C sina kaino magi electrolyte to ki concentration aduna pigni have ko sigi formula sina. Now weak electrolyte mu yeng si ko as the dilution increases the degree of dissociation increases so the number of the ions and hence the molar conduct hence the so the number of the ions su ke daraba increase tarokadoine ko and hence the molar conductivity increase tarokadoiba haibadi ke no hamatam the as the dilution increases sagi koi say weak electrolyte di for example koi CH3 ko COH acetic acid che lawren khal acetic acid 100% dissociate tawdabani na dilution tawri khudingi ke daraba nangi degree of dissociation increase tore aduna maram moraga number of the ions in this solution se ke daraba increase torani ko ion se increase toradi ke dore molar conductivity masana do molar conductivity increase tawdam ion masing yang kholakta di ke daraba molar conductivity wang khale ko sina for the weak electrolytes kangu ge ko so akoi weak electrolyte se akoi infinite dilution hai se leite ko kamaina no yengsi ko say for the strong electrolyte the value of lambda m naught can be determined by the extrapolation of the graph mathakta ye iba graph sigi ko sidagi akoina kai putokpa yage hamatamda akoi molar conductance at infinite dilution se kanagi for the strong electrolyte ki de koi putokpa yae ko for strong electrolyte ki kai gino hamatamda ma horen sida graph si yelakpa matamda sida loirani song isu ke darba my concentration to smile lak matamda sida phangdu si ke no koina limiting molar conductance ni ko adubu in case of this weak electrolyte ki khoi graph si maina dum chakra mathaka thekal dum chakra ko aduna mara moraga nangi sigi molar conductance da touch tawdre aduna infinite dilution gi di we cannot find out the limiting molar conductance of the weak electrolyte ki puthokpa ngamdre ko aduna maram oraga say we cannot obtain the lambda m naught at the zero concentration ko si puthokpa ngamdre aduna maram oraga akhoi ke doge hamatamda ngasagi limiting molar conductance of the weak electrolyte se puthoknabagi damakta akhoi ke dorba Coriolis law haina ama akhoi apply tawrani ko Coriolis law na mana hai se ke no hamatamda yengse the law states that the limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte can be represented as the sum of individual contribution of the anions and the cations of the electrolyte haibani ko haibadi electrolyte amagi ko a b haiba electrolyte a b haiba electrolyte sigi mabani gi limiting molar conductance kana na pigedage hamatamda individual ions indugi se a sina positive and lower se ko aduga plus b sina negative c ani ge ion ani sigi kedroba magi conductivity value duna koi kai pige hamatamda sum tarakanda total limiting molar conductance of the electrolyte to gi p haibako adu itadi koi makada magi application se apply tarogam tang yengsi ko se na koi na koi puthoko do sida koi CH3 koi kedroba we have to determine the limiting molar conductance of the acetic acid ko CH3 si weak electrolyte ni mase electrolyte ni ko weak electrolyte ni aduna sigi weak electrolyte sida ke doge hamatamda limiting molar conductance of the strong electrolyte ani lore ani ahum ko sida CH3 sodium acetate ama lore ko 1 aduga 2 da ke droba NaCl lore then HCl lore 3 da ko 3 da HCl lore sigi ahum sina ke doge hamatamda yongo sida ahan bagi koi limiting molar conductance of the sodium acetate is a strong electrolyte ni so CH3 sida pire ko then HCl gi sida H plus and the Cl negative pire NaCl gi Na plus and Cl negative ko sida lairiba ion sing se ke no CH3 COO negative haibama plus Na plus haibama plus ke daroba ion yauriba ion sing se akoi H plus haibama ga then Cl negative haibama ga ko then sidagi di akoi na kana khaido ga tare sidagi minus ko Na plus kana minus Cl negative haidi nangi ngasagi sigi ani sigi ion ka sidama so sigi ion sing sidagi leiriba ion sing lo yaumina dunia do tadi sodium lawthokhiba yare Cl lawthokhiba yare do ion kana khale mawra H plus and the CH3 sigi value se lawthokhiba matamda kai ta horage ha matamda hojik CH3 CO ki ko sigi ion sing sina piga dauba magi ka limiting molar conductance to adu pirani adu na maram oraga koi sida from equation 1 ga 2 ga sum toro then equation 3 subtract toro habani ko aduna sidagi siga sum toraga minus limiting molar conductance of NaCl se khaido bu matung da kai phange ha matamda limiting molar conductance of the akoi ka doroba acetic acid ki phangi habako aduna sumai to dana koi strong electrolyte sing use toraga ko akoi weak electrolyte to gi magi limiting molar conductance puthokpasi bune akoina kadarba Coriolis law na application da seasonary se ko so si bauda koi ngasagi kenogi electrochemistry gi magi conductivity molar conductivity and nangi ngasai limiting molar conductance of the weak electrolyte to koi kamai puthokadagi habagi samlakpa magi keno du loire ko next mathang mo koi determination of degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte to akoi kamai determine tauge habaduna next session da mo ko yeng asiko